That raindrop hitting your window, it's not just water falling, it's creating a hidden symphony of supersonic explosions. Watch as each drop creates a perfect crown of water, with symmetrical peaks rising like nature's own royal jewels. Surface tension shapes every splash into this stunning pattern. Beneath the surface, an invisible air cavity forms and collapses with explosive force, creating pressure waves strong enough to bend light itself. And here's the mind-blowing finale. Thousands of tiny shock waves, moving faster than the speed of sound, in every single raindrop. Follow Curiosa for more incredible hidden worlds. What everyday wonder should we explore next?